We are on a trip now, on its 3rd of March, and the snow is melting, and there's a lot of people on the huts. And there is a little bit of rain in the sky, but it's nice ski day. Hello.
Hey.
All is happy, and we have a new opportunity for a nice trip.
The sun is
not shining. The sun is not shining. Yes, there is no snow here, so you have to go over the marshland with the skis. It has melted a lot, and yeah, I think it's going to, in a week or something, most of the snow is going to be melted, at least on this marsh. My father is moving over dry land. Yes. We are down by the hut, and it's very nice weather, but it has melted a lot, but kind of the heavy snow has kind of teared off this. You have to fix it later. Let's see if I can remove some of the snow. A little bit hazy. It was on the forecast. It was sunny, but it's not sunny now. It's very hazy. Now we have fired up the grill, and we're going to make some food there. So we have digged into the wood shed, not the wood shed, and everybody.
There's a beautiful weather.
Yes, beautiful weather.
Ice is on the water.
And there is a little bit hazy, but it's a clearing.
Fired up.
Very nice.
Made some sausages.
My father has, making some smoke.
The best father in the world.
Yes. Yes, we are making some food, and I was going to take beef with me, but I got the wrong package. I got meatloaf, minced meat instead. I was going to have pork chops, pork meat, but I took the wrong package. But this is going to be good. We have this, what you call it, cream gratinated potatoes. cream gratinated potatoes on this old Jysk grill. So I'm just going to, I think I was going to just use some gaffer duct tape on this this problem here, kind of rusted. Yeah, it's been standing out for a long time, but you know, it's still is usable, so it's perfect for the hut. I don't need everything new here, so I have a problem here, you know. It's just the snow has just completely crushed the bridge. I have to fix this in the spring. Yeah. Yes, so I just put this on here just to warm it. Just turn it around. Just going very slow with melting the snow, so it's not going to get finished. Just it's getting warm, so it's not melting. So we're trying to we're taking a little bit at a time, so little by little. So, but we might get more snow. The winter is not over here, so we can have snow until the end of May. So, but we are having good weather today, and the snow is melting. My brother loves my English. It's very good.
It's very good.
Very good.
Number best.
We're from Russia, and from Russia we love.
Good to go.
I made some good food out in the open field, open grill. I see there's a fly hanging here. I don't know where it's come from. Er det du som hengte opp flua her?
Ja, säkert.
Okay. So see here we just... There's still a lot of snow by the edge of the water. So you can still go and ski. So we've eaten and we are very, filled up. So we're just burning some garbage. And this is some small dusky rains and it just can't film too much. We're getting wet. Hello there. We're trying to get up some moist from the hut.
Det är bara för ut där.
Yeah, kommer. It's a little bit stained on the window. Just open the window and let out some moist. My father is burning a different stuff on the grill. Christian is relaxing here, working hard on the harbor. And so I try to get away more of the snow from the bridge, but it's just very hard, very much. I removed some more snow, and I think we have gotten halfways. My father is shoveling a little bit. The fire is still going. So it's very still, wind still, and the snow is melting, so we will see if we get more snow or if it will disappear completely. Then I guess we can start to fish already in April. Usually, sometimes we can start to fish in the late April. We have done that before, gotten fish. We will see. Sometimes the snow has been... Oh! And that it's falling off. It's just to fix it. We have shoveled our way through the snow mountain here. So, but this bridge is crushed under the snow. So I have to fix it. So I just made a small economical road through the snow. We didn't want to take anything. It's going to melt inside. Very nice. Yeah, filmar. So it's just going to melt here too now. So it's just kind of a snow hole right here. Just the snow gets funneled by the southwestern wind into here. It just gets a lot of snow. I found some downfall branches. So I put on just smoking a lot. They are very moist. Yes, we are soon going home, and the fire is soon burned out, and the weather has cleared up. Cleared up very nice. There are some snow scavels over here, as you can see here on the picture. It's waiting to melt or fall down. Snow scavels. this wood is very wet. So it came a lot of snow this winter, but it's not over yet, so it might come more before the Easter. Just dug a small strip through, just a economical road. So the hut has slided a little bit down towards the water. I don't know really what has happened, but probably the marshland has sunken or something has happened. It's a old moraine here, so the hut is built on this moraine. So it's the only hut left on this side of the water. There was another one over there, but it was burned down in the 90s. People didn't use it, so they chose to burn it down. So this fish is from that hut. And there is, as you can see over here, there is 1, 2, 3 huts over on this side. There is one, there is one, there is one. There is a blue hut up here, but we think that is owned by someone which don't live on the island, they just come on the holidays. I don't think it's used very much, but they have kind of, yeah, fixed it, you know. As you know, if you don't use the hut, it will fall down very fast. And there are like maybe 15 huts up here which are falling down in the Andenes mark, what you call it, up here, you know. Around here there's a lot of huts just falling down. People are not using them. So that's just how it is. We are going home.
Yes, goodbye hut.
Signing off for this time. Yeah, I see. The snow is melting. We will see if we can have more ski trips, but if it continues to melt, then we will go not on ski next time. Okay, over and out. Goodbye. Thank you for this time.